I'm Macy,
and welcome to MML Dance.
Today we're going to teach you how to learn this partner trick.
Make sure you warm up before you start and don't forget your mat. Grab your partner and let's get started.
Step 1.
The setup.
I'm the flyer for this trick. I start with my left leg back behind me, my arms out behind me, and my hands in a fist.
And I'm the base for this trick. I start on my knees and I grab her wrists. Step 2.
The breakdown.
For this trick, the base needs to make sure that they tuck their chin to their chest to keep their head out of the way as they're flipping over. Also, making sure their back is a little bit rounded to catch them. And we want to make sure our hips are lifted up off of the ground and not sitting all the way down. That way, she has a lot more room and she doesn't hit her head on the ground.
I have my left foot back so I can step on it, put my weight on that foot, and kick up my right foot so that when I'm flipping over, I have a right split in the air.
This is how we get into it and put it all together.
Here's a few tips for the flyer. Make sure you are kicking your right foot right in front of your nose so that it goes straight and you can go straight over and flip over instead of flipping over to the side. Make sure you really commit and go for it and trust your partner and have your chin go back so you can create the arch and go all the way over.
Here's a tip for the base. Like we talked about earlier, you need to make sure that your hips stay lifted a little bit longer than you think they should so we keep her head lifted and she doesn't hit on the ground. Another important tip for this trick is to make sure that you're watching your timing. The base has to go down first so the flyer can roll down their back.
When I go as the flyer, I wrap my arms around her shoulders and then I kick over with my right foot to land right and then left.
And I just land sitting down on my knees with my arms straight.
Step 3.
The final result.
Let us know if you have any questions on this trick.
And don't forget to comment what trick you'd like to see a tutorial for next. See you on the flip side!